my name is Graycn Gaffney.
I'm Savannah Lewin.
And today we are teaching you how to make chocolate chip cookies.
Yum!
So first you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to need 2 bowls for this. In one, your dry ingredients, and the other for your wet ingredients.
Let's start with the dry ingredients first.
Okay.
Thank you, Savannah. Of course.
First, in our dry bowl, we're going to be adding 2 1/4 cup of flour.
I like how cup was singular.
Into the bowl of dry ingredients with the flour, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
And now we whisk.
In a larger bowl, we're going to incorporate our wet ingredients. We're going to incorporate 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of white sugar, 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. After we've combined both of those, we are going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips.
I really think I'm gonna wake up with biceps tomorrow. Okay guys, we have hand mixed our chocolate chips in. And now we're gonna start forming balls.
Keep in mind, you're not supposed to hand mix it. That is an option, and that is the route we decided to take for our own creative liberties.
Diverge from the path. Create
Exactly.
your own.
Once you have your batter and your chocolate chips fully combined, you're gonna take a non-stick baking sheet. You're gonna take about a teaspoon of the batter and roll them into balls and spread them a few inches apart on the baking sheet. You're gonna put those in the oven for about 9 to 11 minutes, depending on the size of your cookie. Finally, when these come out of the oven, we're gonna transfer them to a wire rack to let them finish cooling. Let them cool for a little bit, and your cookies are done. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.